B equals.
adalah,
English-Indonesian copula crash course. Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you, ready to level up your Indonesian? Let's have fun while you learn fast. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources, transcripts, and smart drills. Buckle up. By the end, you'll use be like a pro in Indonesian with
adalah,
and friends. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll confidently introduce people and name things in Indonesian. Target words.
adalah,
B. Linking two nouns. Pronouns plus are, is.
saya,
I am.
kamu adalah,
You are.
dia adalah,
He, she is.
itu adalah,
It is.
kami adalah,
We are, exclusive.
kalian adalah,
You are, plural.
mereka adalah.
They are. Forms in action, quick hits. Repeat after me, I'll keep it snappy and clear. B.
Adalah,
Used mainly between nouns. Example. This is the map. Quote.
ini adalah peta.
Quote. I am a student. Quote.
Saya,
Siswa. Formal option.
saya adalah.
Seorang siswa. You are the leader. Quote.
Kamu adalah.
Pemimpin. He is the captain. Quote.
Dia adalah.
Captain. She is the doctor. Quote.
Dia adalah.
Doctor. It is the main gallery. Quote.
Itu adalah.
Ruang pameran utama. We are friends, exclusive. Quote.
Kami adalah.
Teman. You, plural, are champions. Quote.
Kalian adalah.
Jura. They are volunteers. Quote.
Mereka adalah.
Relawan. Mini dialogue. Listen in, then shadow the lines with energy. A. Welcome to the club. You are the first team today.
Kalian adalah.
Tim pertama hari ini. B. Thank you. He is our presenter.
Dia adalah.
Pembicara kami. A. Great. And this.
Itu adalah.
Jadwal acara. B. Awesome. We are ready.
Kami adalah.
Tim siap temper. Rhythm drill. Copula groove. Clap lightly and echo me. Make it musical so it sticks. B.
Adalah.
B.
Adalah. Saya.
Siswa.
Kamu adalah.
Pemimpin.
Dia adalah.
Guru.
Itu adalah.
Pita.
Kami adalah.
Teman.
Kalian adalah.
Jura.
Mereka adalah.
Relawan. Culture tip. When to drop it. Smart shortcut. Indonesian often drops the be word before adjectives. Use.
Adalah.
Mainly between nouns. X as Y. Example.
Ini adalah peta.
Quote. But with adjectives, just say the adjective, she is happy. Quote.
Dia senang.
Not, dia.
Adalah.
Senang. Negation before nouns uses bukan, he is not a teacher. Quote.
Dia bukan guru.
Quote. Fast drills. You point, you say. I'll cue you, you speak the Indonesian out loud, own it. Point at a friend and say, you are my best friend. Quote.
Kamu adalah.
Sahabatku. Point at a sign and say, it is the exit. Quote.
Itu adalah.
Pintu keluar. Gesture to your group. We are a team. Quote.
Kami adalah.
Tim. Address the whole class. You are amazing. Quote.
Kalian adalah.
Luar biasa. Introduce a group. They are the guides. Quote.
Mereka adalah.
Pemandu. Quiz time. Answer in Indonesian. I'll reveal the solution after a short pause. Q1. How do you say, they are winners? A.
Mereka adalah.
Pemenang. Q2. Translate, it is the main gallery. A.
Itu adalah.
Ruang pameran utama. Q3. Say, you, plural, are a new team. A.
Kalian adalah.
Tim baru. Q4. Say, he is the captain. A.
Dia adalah.
Captain. Q5. Say, I am a student. Formal or simple. A.
Saya.
Siswa, or
Saya adalah.
seorang siswa. The 10-second challenge. Ready to flex your memory? Go rapid fire. In 10 seconds, introduce 5 things or people. Start each with the right form. Example prompts. This map, your team, the leader, your group of friends, the museum. Possible answers.
Ini adalah.
Pita.
Kami adalah.
Tim.
Dia adalah.
Pemimpin.
Mereka adalah.
Teman.
Itu adalah.
Museum. Go. Nailed it. Goodbye and keep rolling. You crushed it, short, sweet, and powerful. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Adalah.
With names and roles, and use.
Saya. Kamu adalah. Dia adalah. Itu adalah. Kami adalah. Kalian adalah. Mereka adalah.
Every day. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, transcripts, and quizzes at www.synapse-lingo.com. Sampai jumpa.